thank you for stopping by today. So I'm going to show you these pieces, the bunny butts and the carrots that I made. So here's the yellow, the orange, the blue, and here go the carrots. Here's the pink one already on the badge reel. So this one is going to match that. And I'm going to show you today how to punch a hole in these, and I will have it dangling from the badge reel. I make my own pieces, so I made all these. And you just give me a follow and I'll do a video on how to make these, and you see they're really clear. And I'll show you how to get them clear, what paper to use, all the supplies. Just give me a follow and we'll do a video on that as well. But today I'm going to show you how to put holes in these pieces. You can put holes in all the pieces that you make. So we're just going to do these 4. Today I'm going to do 2, but I'm going to show you. And I use a Dremel tool or a rotary cutter. Got this from off of Amazon. I got the piece in there already. And the kit that I bought is 220 pieces. And I bought it just for this piece right here. However, I use it for more things. I sand my tumblers with it. Sand edges of some of the resin pieces that I make. So I use it for other things. So this came from off of Amazon. I tried to get a link for this one itself and I can't find it anymore. But I had this for about 2 years and only bought this one and it's been lasting. But I'm going to link another one in the description below that you could go purchase or look at the ones that you might see fit your needs. But let's get into it. I'm going to plug this up real fast. It should have been already plugged up, but I'm going to plug it up real fast. And I'm on my table. Let's got this down. So you might shake a little bit, but I got it like that. And it does work. So you just put this down to where you want your hole to be. And you just apply pressure like that. And it went through. So you see right here that there's a hole. And I'm going to have it dangling from there. So I'll do another one for you. And it went through. You see it's through the back of the piece. And you just pull it off. Remove this. And you can put the your little hook through there. You just keep on going through all the ones that you have here. And I show all 4 of them together. Okay, so you'll see. When I put the hook through there, you'll see it. It'll go through that one and that one as well. So again, the orange will match that bunny butt. This pink is going to match that bunny butt. The blue will match this bunny butt. And the yellow will match this bunny butt. If you want to see anything else, leave a comment below and I can make a video on it. And thank you for watching.